Hi everyone, here we've got Motorola One Vision Plus, and let me show you how to add a fingerprint to this device. So first of all, let's get into the settings. Then let's scroll down and find the security. And here we've got the fingerprint, so let's tap on it. If you've got a pin or a pattern, you will have to simply enter it to confirm the whole step. And as you can see, now we can add our fingerprint. Simply tap on setup. And our device is telling us that we have to find the sensor and touch it. As you can see, the sensor is right on the back, so let me touch it. There was a vibration, and now we have to touch the sensor again several times and lift our finger. This is in order to fully add our fingerprint. Try to catch every corner. This is of course for better recognition. Okay, as you can see, we just added our fingerprint. If you are ready, click on done. If you want, you can of course add another one, but let me pick done. And as you can see here, we've got our finger added. Let's check if it is working. Let's block our device. And now I'm putting my finger on the sensor. As you can see, now it is unblocked, so it means that our fingerprint has been successfully added. Of course, if you want, you can tap on it and change the name. If not, simply leave it like this. And if you feel that you want to remove it, nothing easier, simply tap on this delete icon and click on yes, remove. And as you can see, from now on I'm not able to use my fingerprint to unlock the device. So that's all. This is how to add a fingerprint to your Motorola One Vision Plus. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.